Check if value already exists within list of dictionaries. I've got a Python list of dictionaries, as follows. I'd like to check whether a dictionary with a particular key/value already exists in the list, as follows.
Here's one way to do it. The part in parentheses is a generator expression that returns true for each dictionary that has the key value pair you are looking for, otherwise false. If the key could also be missing, the above code can give you a key error. You can fix this by using get and providing a default value. If you don't provide a default value, none is returned.
Maybe this helps.
Based on @markbias great answer, and following @Florent question. Just to indicate that it will also work with two conditions on list of dicts with more than two keys. Result.
Just another way to do what the op asked. Filter would filter down the list to the item that op is testing for. The if condition then asks the question, if this item is not there, then execute this block.
Perhaps a function along these lines is what you're after.
I've lost the